Hello, welcome to week 11. We are nearly through the teaching period. Can you believe it? And I'm back. My voice is back. We have got through illness, and we are back into it. So this week is week 11, and we're exploring music. And I want to really encourage you, if you haven't, to watch the recording of the readings that Fiona went through last week. They are fabulous, and if you are stuck on ideas, then I would really encourage you to have a listen. She's got some great songs. So for many of you, you finish your assessment and you might sort of be clocked off, but I want to really encourage you to still hop on the discussion board and give us your ideas. This week, we want you to share a music rhyme, something that you can use in the classroom. So in my own classroom, I use music for a whole range of reasons. I might use it for a maths concept. I might use it as even just a nonsense song to start the day off. I might use it in circle time. I might use it to help learn some of the alphabet. So, for example, I know my daughter is always coming home with little songs from Kinder, like wash your face with orange juice, brush your teeth with bubble gum. I think that's Peter Coombs. Another one that she does is at the end of the session, they have a little song to say goodbye, and it goes like this. Now, I don't have a singing voice, so excuse my voice, but like Fiona said, we have to be comfortable with singing. So it goes like this. Say goodbye, gotta go, say goodbye, gotta go home. And then they get louder. Say goodbye, gotta go, say goodbye, gotta go home. And then even louder, and they start shouting it. Say goodbye, gotta go, say goodbye, gotta go home. Then they bob down a bit. Say goodbye, gotta go, say goodbye, gotta go home. And then they go really soft. Say goodbye. So even in a song just like that, they're exploring sound level and pitch, loud to soft. What's another one? So, common mathematical songs. So, for example, the days of the week to the Addams Family. So if kids can't click, they can clap. But days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Another one is months of the year. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. So there's a whole range of songs that you might do. Go to ABC Kids. There's plenty of songs on the ABC websites that you can access. So this week, I want you to create a whole and share just lots of songs that you use. Many of you are already in education departments. You're already in the classroom working with children. What do you use? You know what? Teaching is all about shared practice. It's all about sharing our ideas with each other. And if I just sat here and didn't give you any ideas of what I do, then you know what? I don't think I'm being a very good teacher. So I want to encourage you this week. Hop on board, share some songs that you use. Maybe you can send us some links. And let's try and create even more resources in our toolbox that we can use to help engage our students in a variety of forms. Have a great week 11. 2 more weeks to go, but 1 more week till your assessment is due. I'm looking forward to marking them, and looking forward to as well, hopefully you'll all say goodbye to me next week. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.